How do I change the string representation of a Python class? In Java, I can override the toString method of my class. Then Java's print function prints the string representation of the object defined by its toString. Is there a Python equivalent to Java's toString? For example, I have a playCard class. I have an instance C of playCard. Now, but what I want is something like, how do I customize the string representation of my class instances? I'm using Python 3.x.
The closest equivalent to Java's toString is to implement _str_ for your class. Put this in your class definition. You may also want to implement _repr_ to aid in debugging. See here for more information. Special method names, basic customization.
This is not as easy as it seems. Some core library functions don't work when only str is overwritten. Checked with Python 2.7, see this thread for examples. How to make a class JSON serializable. Also, try this. Produces and not. As would be expected. Edit, answering Chicago's comment. Unicode does not have any attributes. It is an immutable string, the value of which is hidden and not available from high-level Python code. The JSON module uses re for generating the string representation, which seems to have access to this internal attribute. Here's a simple example to justify this. B equals a B print B. Produces A. While JSON.dumps B column B. Produces B column B. So you see that the internal representation is used by some native libraries, probably for performance reasons. See also this for more details, this URL.
Informação é para os